we need a medic on that building. Just be where JF is.
Airsoft is a well-known extreme sport and hobby around the world that has a large fan base as well as many enthusiasts. It is a sport and tool that is used by many law enforcement and military personnel around the world to train as well. So why is Airsoft so popular? What makes it something that interests kids and adults alike around the world? And how does it have an impact within society?
嗱，講翻我自己，即係真係我自己嗰個睇法咯。其實多咗好多人玩嘅喺近年。我其實係由01年2001年嗰陣時開始接觸 Airsoft。咁當其時咧就比較少人玩 Airsoft 嘅，因為真係入場費普遍比較貴。咁而到近年因為即係個產品個牌子多咗好多啦。即係個供應，即係選擇多咗好多，相對平，咁變咗好多人會係進入 Airsoft 呢個圈子裏面去玩。咁 Airsoft 咧其實係分開你可以用呢個Airsoft 即係氣槍啦，呢個器材啦，去參與 Wargame 嘅活動即係人同人對戰啦，即係隊與隊去對戰啦，或者係另外一個元素咧就係target shooting 氣槍射擊運動化嘅透過即係比賽啦或者日常嗰個練習啦個模式會變咗係運動化咯。
其實 Wargame 呢個文化喺香港其實都扎根咗差唔多20年啦。咁去到而家開始演變到就係一個好似運動形式咁樣嘅。咁其實運動形式係一個我覺得呢個好好嘅一個轉捩點嚟嘅，因為運動係其實好講究嘅體育精神呢樣嘢啦。咁其實 Wargame 好 base on 一個樣嘢係信任同埋合作。佢嗰陣時比較內斂，即係可能10幾年前嗰啲玩法都係互相廝殺，我係唔死㗎啦。咁但係而家就開始即係有好多唔同嘅團體去灌輸咗一啲比較健康啲嘅 Wargame 嘅意識，即係你要均真，中槍你要死，你要尊重對方，你唔好喐啲就喺度同人嘈交啲咁嘅嘢。咁其實不斷趨向好嘅，咁同埋而家啲人比較個知識高咗，知識水平高咗，佢哋同埋對外界嘅信息多咗咧，咁佢哋對外邊有啲即係啲新產品啊，或者一啲新嘅玩法啊，其實會多咗嘅。咁其實所以而家嘅 Wargame 個文化會比較文明一啲嘅。
Well, I think in a way Airsoft is huge in Hong Kong, no doubt about it. But the thing is, when it comes to these certain communities such as HKOTG, GBB Gamer, they are owned within their own clique. That's what I found anyway. They have their own philosophy. I've been to GBB Gamers games. I've been to HKOTG games. They all have their own way of managing things, and it's pretty difficult for somebody new to come in, because say the admins of each team, such as HKOTG and GBB Gamer, they need to make sure that these people are not too young, not too green. And it could be very difficult for newbies to come through, but there are enough game sites for people just to sign up and go in straight away. If you have a group of friends, it's really easy to get in. And the culture is still growing. It is always growing. Everywhere it's growing around the world. And Hong Kong, it is not as great as in the US and the UK. They just have a huge community over there. But it could still grow in Hong Kong. I just know for a fact that it will.
其實外國咧會係偏向於佢哋所講叫 Milsim Milsim 即係一個模擬嘅軍事行動模擬用 Airsoft， 當然個工具係用 Airsoft 啦。咁就個規模，因為個地方嗰個條件，佢哋個地方範圍會大好多所以即係佢哋會係玩嗰個規模會大好多咯。相對我哋香港玩嘅 War Game 我哋因為即係地方所限 即係Wargame 場比較個地方比較細啦，或者甚至乎即係選擇亦都比較少咯，咁所以變咗我哋個不論行動範圍啊，或者個人數規模啊，都相對比外國嗰邊係少嘅。咁而以我所知咧，外國啲玩家佢玩 Milsim 之餘咧，亦都會滲入一啲 target shooting 嘅元素喺裏面，就當係佢哋個槍隊裏面佢去參加 Milsim 嘅遊戲之前，佢會係聚集埋一齊一隊人聚集埋一齊去練習。從而去達到一個目的咧，就係去統一佢哋成隊人嗰個技術層面個技術嗰個級數咁令到個默契協調合作性會更加高就以我所知，佢哋就應該會比較少一啲好似香港舉行嘅target shooting 嘅比賽佢哋就會即係將佢即係會係變為即係佢哋去玩 Milsim 嘅即係其中一部分咯。target shooting 係一個練習嚟嘅，
其實都好大分別㗎，因為外國一來地方好大啦，佢哋可以用嘅地方好多啦。咁香港即係大家都知啦，地少租貴，咁可以真係俾你可以用好大嘅地方去玩好多唔同嘅形式嘅遊戲會比較少嘅。咁所以香港可能會集中咗玩就係玩一啲可能。好似我哋場地咁樣啦，打啲 CQB 啦，近距離嘅一個 Wargame 遊戲咁樣啦。咁呢個都會係一個對我嚟講幾大有分別嘅。咁香港都有一班玩重演嘅一班人嘅，咁但係都礙於地方個限制比較大啦，佢都係可能會係偏向影相多打比較少嘅。